In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate QuickBooks Online with Mailchimp using Zapier to enhance your customer engagement strategies effectively. This process will help you sync valuable customer data and purchase history, enabling you to create targeted email campaigns with precision. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Simply enter your credentials, and once you're in, pause for a moment to appreciate that this is where all your crucial financial data, from invoices to customer information, is securely stored. It's an invaluable resource you'll soon easily integrate with Mailchimp. Next, hop over to Mailchimp and log in. This is where all the creative magic happens, as you'll use this platform to reach out to your customers and keep them engaged with your brand. Now, the bridge between these two powerful platforms is Zapier. If you haven't already set up an account on Zapier, this innovative tool allows you to connect apps you use every day to automate tasks and save time. Once logged into Zapier, you're ready to link QuickBooks with Mailchimp. Begin by selecting QuickBooks Online as your trigger app, the one where customer data originates. After selecting your trigger event, which will likely be a new customer or an updated transaction, you'll move on to selecting Mailchimp as your action app. This is the receiving end where the data from QuickBooks will flow into. With these connections in place, it's time to set up the workflows known as Zaps. These are like little automated assistants that work tirelessly in the background. In this case, you'll configure Zaps to sync customer data and purchase history directly from QuickBooks to Mailchimp audiences. Ensure that the data syncing is accurate, accounting for fields like customer name, email address, purchase details, and any other relevant information that can personalize your email campaigns. This setup ensures that your Mailchimp audience lists are constantly updated with the latest data, allowing you to segment and target effectively. With your integration and data sync operational, you can move on to creating automated email campaigns. Mailchimp's interface is intuitive, offering a plethora of templates and design tools to craft eye-catching emails. Target these campaigns based on the transaction history imported from QuickBooks. For instance, if a customer frequently purchases a certain category of products, you can tailor emails featuring related items or exclusive deals, thus